Good morning class. Hope you are doing well beta. As you all know, in the previous video we have completed our exercise 13.1 up to question number 5th. So the solution of question number 6th we will do today. The sixth question is the perimeter of a square is equal to the perimeter of a rectangle of length 12.4 centimeter and breadth 9.5 centimeter. Find the length of each side of the square. In this question beta you have given two figure. One is rectangle and another is square. And the examiner has said you the length is 12.4 and the breadth is 9.5. Okay. And you have to find the side of square. But the condition is that their perimeter is same. So perimeter of the rectangle is twice of the sum of length and its breadth, and perimeter of the square is 4 multiplied by side. Okay. So now we have to firstly calculate the perimeter of rectangle. So the perimeter of rectangle is twice of length, that is 12.4, plus breadth, that is 9.5. And this is equal to 2 multiplied by 21.9 and the value is equal to 43.8 centimeter. So the perimeter of rectangle will become equal to 43.8 centimeter. So this is the perimeter. Now in the question this is given that this perimeter is also equal to the perimeter of square. So from here what we can write? We can write 4 multiplied by side, that is A, equal to 43.8. Okay. So from here we have to calculate the side of square, that is A. So A is equal to 43.8 divided by 4, because 4 is in multiplication in the left side of equality. If we take 4 towards the right side of equality, it will be in the division. Okay. So after division we will get our side of square. So A is equal to 10.95 centimeter. So the value of A is equal to 10.95 centimeter. So the side is 10.95 centimeter. Okay. So this is the solution of your question number 6th beta. I hope you all get it. Now we will discuss the question number 7th. In the 7th question, a wire of length 3.6 meter. We have a wire whose length is 3.6 meter is bent to the form various shape. The wire has bent in various shape. Firstly, the wire is shaped into a square. Okay, suppose firstly the wire will be shaped into a square like this, and then the wire is shaped like a rectangle like this, and at the last the wire is converted into a triangle like this. Okay. So the wire is firstly converted into square and then into rectangle and then into triangle, and triangle is equilateral triangle. In each cases we have to find the length or the side. Okay. So first of all we will discuss the case first, that is of square. If we have wire and we have bent the wire into square, that means the length of the wire is equal to the perimeter of the square. That means the length of wire is equal to the perimeter of square. Okay. So length of wire is 3.6 meter. Let's suppose the side of square is A. So perimeter is 4 multiplied by A, and that must be equal to the length of wire, and that is 3.6. As like previous question, from here A is equal to 3.6 divided by 4. After division this will become equal to 0.9 meter. 0.9 meter. So the side of such square formed by a wire of length 3.6 meter is equal to 0.9 meter. I hope you will get it. Okay. Now in the B part, the same wire is converted into a rectangle like this. But again you will see that the length of the wire is same, but the shape will become rectangular. So in rectangle the length is 1 meter. We don't know what is the breadth. Okay, we have to calculate what? The breadth of rectangle. The wire has converted into a rectangle whose length is 1 meter but breadth is unknown. By using perimeter formula we have to calculate the breadth also. Okay, so the perimeter formula for the rectangle is twice of the sum of length and breadth. So put the values. Here perimeter is equal to 3.6 meter and length is equal to 1 meter, and by using this formula we have to calculate what? Breadth. So 3.6 is equal to twice of 1 plus breadth. Okay, 2 is in multiplication. If we take it from right side of equality to the left side of equality, it will be in division. So this will become 3.6 divided by 2 equal to 1 plus b. From here 1 plus b must be equal to 1.8 and the breadth is equal to 1.8 minus 1 and that is equal to 0.8 meter. That is equal to 0.8 meter. So from here we can say that breadth of such rectangle is equal to 0.8 meter. Okay. So this is the solution of B part of your question number 7 beta. Now we will do the C part. In the C part, what we have formed? We have formed a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. As you all know, the all sides of equilateral triangle are same. Again we have used the same wire, so the again perimeter is equal to 3.6 meter. So the perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 multiplied by side and that is equal to 3.6 meter. From here the side will be 3.6 divided by 3 and that is equal to 1.8 meter. So the side of such equilateral triangle will become equal to 1.8 meter. So this is the solution of C part of your question number 7. The 8th question is same as like these questions, but try to solve the 8th question by yourself. And if you have any problem in doing these questions, we will take your doubts in the live classes. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day.